Today, we're going to design a cosmic masterpiece, a stunning Milky Way galaxy illustration using Adobe Illustrator. First, let's establish a new document with your ideal dimensions, like 1920 by 1920 pixels. That said, apply a solid black background immediately now. Selecting the ellipse tool gives the base to a slightly elongated core shape for the galaxy. Next, we apply our gradients. Access the gradient panel in Illustrator and work on applying a radial gradient to your initial core circle. Start by creating the gradient itself. A deep blue on one end, and morph it with a vibrant orange on the other end. Adjusting the stops provides a core impression. Moving on, we'll now add the galactic arms. Repeat the first step with a new shape, the same dimensions as the previous circle. Apply a radial gradient with another iteration of dark blue at the edges and a lighter tones in the center. Use the blend tool, starting with the core, and repeat the second circle by adding layers. Adjust its appearance to create realistic, curved arms. To build the cosmic texture, we'll use Illustrator's scatter brushes first. Create multiple small circles using various sizes and fills in white. Select all, and then click New Brush on the Brushes panel. Choose Scatter Brush. Customize settings, such as the size, rotation, and scattering to ensure the illusion of stars. Finishing touches. Create small bright stars. Apply several small circle shapes with white fills. Random variations of size and shape give a dimensional feel. Applying Gaussian blur from the Effects panel will add depth. Done. Your own Milky Way. Now it's your time to portray your own universe.